Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. Guys. Look at this mental case of a daughter I have. Like, look at her, guys. Look at her. She's so, like, look at her. She's crazy. This is what I gotta deal with every day. Tia, how do you deal with her?
I don't know.
Oh, you guys, it's too much. It's fucking downpouring. And this girl is acting a fool in the rain.
I'm wearing Crocs. I'm wearing Uggs. Please open the door.
Oh my god.
My feet are being... Oh. The cat's in here. I'm a ballerina. No!
Yeah, that's crazy. Oh my
Wait,
god.
what was the dance we were doing? What was the dance we were doing? As you recall, you know. Oh yeah, as you recall, you know. Wait. No, that wasn't it. No, it's about it, but not to do it. Wait, what is it? What do you want? What do I know? Oh my fucking gosh, she's fat.
Hey, no swearing.
Sorry. What do you...
It's not that simple.
What do you want?
It's not that simple!